What it like, how it feel now. Play the front position, used to keep us in the background. Came up at that small town, who thought I'd be here now? Knew it'd take us ages, renting spaces, playing at the crowd. Running through the internet like StarCat created me. No strings, homie, free as I think free you'll ever be. Funny that they call them bars, I ain't trying to build a cage. Artists get so stuck in styles, fall off when they break away. They will sterile, styles will feral, stuck inside a row. Rappers iced out, I'm on the ice now, I'm hitting goals. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a beat and let it flow. Line up every pessimist you know, fuck them, let them go. Cause I got people who said I'd be nothing and ain't nothing now. Shout out to the real ones who hold me down, dealing dope shit, my lines are potent, you know this. Summer's about to pop, I've been plotting on my moment. But it's about the journey, I ain't worried about time. I got nothing on my wrist, meaning I just know it's mine. I've been on my grind, fucking 9 to 5, I ain't about it. I've been in my lane, if you in my way, you best get at it. It ain't gon' change overnight, we won't see fame overnight. I ain't gon' wait till the lights, I'm working till they ignite. We ain't gon' blow overnight, we really work for the hype. No, we won't blow overnight, but I don't mind, it's alright.
Look, me and Fred Heights, kid, I'm changing flights. We the only ones left, we gotta make it right. Bright future with a change of lights, and I'm with my team, make a place tonight. Going good to change the night. I used to think about it way before I did it.